Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera kepada para pelajar yang dikasihi sekalian. Sekarang ni kita berada di channel saya, Cikgu Yati Channel, untuk topik 1, Accounting, Introduction to Accounting. So, saya bersama dengan pelajar-pelajar kuliah A2 dan harap semua sudah pun bersedia untuk pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Okey, so sesiapa nak bagi komen, boleh bagi komen dekat ruang chat. Okay, dan saya harap you have ready for your answer for tutorial question. So sebelum kita mulakan our tutorial question, saya nak menjemput saudara Takif untuk memulakan bacaan doa. Silakan.
Al-Fatihah. Auzubillahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Auzubillahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma iftah 'alaina hikmataka wanshur 'alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Amin.
Okey, kita tak payah buang masa. Hari ini adalah Saturday kan, Sabtu. Kita ganti kelas Sabtu. So kita tak payah buang masa, kita straight to our lesson today. So today about topic 1, and hopefully you have done your homework, this one. Okay, so topic 1, introduction to accounting. So question 1. Okay, kita refer to the question 1, the question, and you look at the answer, whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, Ashraf starts a motorcycle workshop in his residential area. 3 years later, a friend of Ashraf is interested in jointly contributing capital, energy, and expertise to run the business. So Ashraf agrees to accept his friend's proposal to continue with the business. So maksudnya Ashraf ni dia ada bengkel motorcycle dekat kawasan dia. After 3 years ada kawan berminat untuk bersama join dengan Ashraf. Macam mana dia berminat, dia nak contribute capital, modal, dia nak tolong contribute tenaga, energi dia untuk bekerja di workshop, and expertise. Expertise ialah kepakaran untuk run the business. And Ashraf dia setuju untuk accept his friend's proposal. Cadangan kawan tu dia setuju to continue with the business. So mula-mula Ashraf tu adalah sole proprietorship. Now they want to combine dengan his friends. So can you list 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of the newly established business between Ashraf and his friends? So before this, Ashraf adalah sole proprietorship ataupun milikan tunggal. Lepas tu dia combine with his friend, maka dia akan jadi partnership. So Ashraf and his friend can form partnership. So partnership can be formed when 2 or more members agree to start a business together and share its profit. So kalau ada more than 2 members, mereka have to form partnership, perkongsian. So kalau masuk perkongsian, they have to share their capitals, lepas tu profit and loss pun dia akan kongsi, dan mereka bersama-sama kongsi kepakaran to develop the business. Okay, so now look at the 3 advantages of partnership, perkongsian. So the first one, it is easy to form the partnership business when compared with the company's business. Okay, senang je sebab dia melibatkan 2 members in the company atau in the enterprise. So dia very easy to form the business. Dia punya regulation pun is very easy compare dengan syarikat. And the second one, has the opportunity to increase the capital when compared with a sole proprietorship. So maknanya Ashraf ni bila dia perform ataupun bila form the partnership, capital akan increase. Kenapa? Because his friend also contribute into the business. So kalau dia buat personal business ataupun single business or sole proprietorship, dia punya capital is limited. Now they can share with his friend ataupun he can share with his friend about capital, contribution. Okay, management skills are higher as many partners who can contribute ideas and expertise for the business. Okay, bila kita combine one members or two members combine and they form the partnership, so they can contribute ideas and they can put knowledge, expertise, kepakaran in the business. Dia lebih baiklah. Kalau sole proprietorship, only one owner give an idea. But when the partnership, when you form the partnership, you can get more ideas from the member. And it follows the regulation in the partnership where they can make their own agreement relating to their rights, capital, and appropriation profit or loss when compared with a sole proprietorship. Sama macam tadi, they have their agreement, lepas tu they can contribute more capital, and when the profit they earn, they have to share the profit based on the ratio that they have agreed sebelum tu kan. Dia lebih baik lah, maknanya dia punya capital lebih banyak dan profit lebih banyak lah. Now we look at the advantages tu, ada kebaikan when you form a partnership, bila ditubuhkan perkongsian. Okay, this one, the 3 disadvantages. So you have to list 3 advantages of partnership. Number 1, members have unlimited liabilities. Itu betul ya. Apa maksud unlimited liabilities? Tanggungan dia tidak terhad. Tanggungan tidak terhad. Apa maksudnya? If the business asset are not sufficient to pay debts, the debts burden will involve the partner's personal asset. Maksudnya katalah perniagaan tu berhutang dan aset perniagaan tak cukup untuk cover the business debt. Tak cukup ya. Harta the business asset tak boleh cukup untuk bayar hutang company atau hutang partnership. So debt ini akan dibayar melalui akan melibatkan partners punya personal asset. Harta peribadi pun akan digunakan untuk bayar hutang partnership. Contohnya harta peribadi partner, rumah mereka, lepas tu kereta, perabot-perabot yang mereka ada akan dilibatkan untuk pay the business debt. That's why disebut unlimited liabilities. Maknanya hutang dia tidak terhad. Bukan terhad kepada capital sahaja that they contribute, but also their personal asset. Okay, misunderstanding, this is the disadvantages, keburukan. Misunderstanding among partners easily occur because it had different ideas and opinions among members. Okay, maksudnya salah faham among them. Lepas tu different opinion, perlainan pendapat, berlainan ideas, and sometimes menyebabkan mereka berselisih faham. So susah they want to get one idea. 3, difficulties in getting agreement among the partners. Katalah ada 2 partners. Partner 1 dia nak macam ni. Partner 2 dia nak macam ni. So dia solution dia, they don't want to agree with them. So that one they have the very difficulty to make decision. Itu keburukan dia. Okay, when business partnership are unstable, it is easy to dissolve the partnership. Maksudnya kalau partnership tu, perkongsian itu tak stabil. Sekejap berselisihan faham ataupun modal tak cukup. Kadang-kadang the working, they are not following the schedule to work in the partnership. So it is very easy to dissolve. Dissolve tu makna bubar. Maknanya partnership ni perkongsian boleh dibubarkan. Okay, profits need to be shared among the partners when compared with a sole proprietorship. So maknanya untung yang mereka dapat in the partnership, they have to divide among themselves. So different dengan sole proprietorship. Kalau sole proprietorship atau milikan tunggal, dia own the profit untuk diri sendiri sahaja. Kan? Maknanya partnership ni dia kena bahagi untung. Tapi kalau sole proprietorship, dia akan miliki untung tu seorang-seorang. Okay, this one is question 1. So you must know what is the meaning of partnership, the advantages, and also the disadvantages of partnership. Maknanya two or more members in the business. Okay, the next one, question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Okay, look at the question. Shakira is the owner of a construction enterprise. Her business has shown growth and progress. Shakira intends to convert her business from sole proprietorship to a company. Sekarang ni Shakira ni ada business dia the owner, business dia panggil construction. Jadi bila business dia berkembang, lepas tu dia meningkat, Shakira berniat untuk menukarkan bisnes from milikan tunggal kepada syarikat. So analyze two advantages when Shakira forms a company. So kita tengok the advantages ya. Number 1, limited liabilities. Okay, limited liabilities maknanya if the business ataupun if the company's asset are not sufficient to pay debts, the debt burden only limited to invested capital only. Maksudnya, siapa members yang contribute capital, sumbangkan modal in the company and then they have to pay debts. Kalau debts tu, they have to pay debts. Kalau asset, the business asset tu maksudnya harta perniagaan not enough to pay company's debt, dia punya burden tu, debt tu, dia limit terhad kepada perniagaan tu, terhad kepada modal yang disumbangkan sahaja. So personal asset tak boleh ambil ya. Personal asset of the members in the company not allowed to pay for the debts of the company. So dia hanya limit to the capital contribution only. So members kalau dia contribute 5,000, so they have to pay 5,000 only based on the capital. Dia punya personal property not included. Itu kebaikan dia. And the next one, business ownership can be changed and transferred easily, namely by selling the shares to other parties. Kalau compare dengan partnership, just now kita ada bincang partnership kan. Business ownership untuk company dia boleh transfer, pindahkan atau tukar kepada another shareholders. Macam mana dia nak pindahkan? Kita jual share kepada shareholders yang lain. Share tu saham. Tetapi kalau partnership tak boleh ya. Kalau dia berbeza pendapat dan dia misunderstanding, they cannot get the agreement. So the partnership very easy to dissolve. Tapi for company, susah, very difficult to dissolve. Because the shares can be exchanged to atau transferred to another members by selling the shares. Shares tu saham ya. Saham tu apa? Saham adalah the capital when the shareholders contribute the capital, so dia ada saham in the business. Biasanya saham dijual dalam bentuk lot. Satu lot RM1,000, RM2,000. So lagi banyak dia contribute, the members contribute into the companies, maka makin banyak shares dia ya. Okay, to question number 2. Number 2 dia focus on company. Question number 1 tadi dia focus about partnership, from sole proprietorship menjadi partnership. Nombor 2, sole proprietorship menjadi company. Okay, look at question number 3. Okay. So tadi semua tu berkaitan dengan ownership, the types of ownership. Pemilikan tunggal, itu 3 benda tu. Pemilikan tunggal, sole proprietorship, lepas tu perkongsian, partnership, and the last one ialah company, syarikat. So you can see the difference tu kan. Okay, now kita tengok question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Accounting standard, piawaian perakaunan. Piawaian ya, piawai tu apa? Standard. Ada piawai dia. Dia ada kata had dia lah. Ukuran ya. Accounting standards in business financial reporting are important. In your opinion, why accounting standards are important? Okay, dia disebutkan piawaian perakaunan dalam financial reporting. Financial reporting ialah perakaunan financial, keuangan. Jadi apa-apa laporan keuangan tu macam mana? Statement, financial statement. Kita ada belajar financial statement, 4 types of financial statement. Dan 4 types of financial statement, we must follow accounting standard, piawaian perakaunan. So kenapa dia kata penting? Okay, first thing, you must know what is the definition of accounting standard, piawaian perakaunan. So dia adalah set of principle. Principle tu ialah principle ataupun konsep, rules, peraturan, and guideline, panduan that define the basis yang mentaksirkan basis of financial accounting, asas-asas keuangan, perakaunan keuangan. Financial accounting ni maksudnya keuangannya, perakaunan keuangan, policies and practices. Practices ya amalannya, amalan. So kenapa penting accounting standard? Dia adalah set peraturan, rules, guideline, panduan, dan ada set konsep yang kita kena patuh bila kita terlibat dalam penyediaan financial accounting, perakaunan keuangan. Okay, so is that important? Yes, the answer, this one dia punya definition saya bagi. So the answer sebenarnya ini. Accounting standards are important in the financial reporting. So bila sebut financial reporting, dia berkaitan dengan keuangan, laporan keuangan. Kenapa dia penting? Because, okay, you see what is the answer? Because it ensures the financial statement from multiple companies are comparable. Comparable maksudnya satu company, kita boleh bandingkan company, contohnya company Giant supermarket dengan company lagi satu ialah biasanya kita ambil satu Econsafe ataupun Tesco. Macam mana kita nak boleh comparable? Because they are using the accounting standard. Maksudnya mereka menggunakan piawaian perakaunan yang telah ditetapkan sama. Maknanya statement of income dia sama, the same format, financial position pun they have to use the same formats. Okay, so nampak tu. All companies follow the same rules. Peraturan yang sama, and then they have to follow accounting standard to make the financial statement credible. Credible tu maksudnya boleh dipercayai and allow for more economic decision based on accurate and consistent information. So bila mereka gunakan rules atau guide yang sama, financial statement yang sama yang telah ditetapkan, kita boleh compare from one company to another company. So bila kita boleh compare, so kita boleh make decision based on the economic decision. Economic itu apa-apa aktiviti, urus niaga, transaction, dan dia akan bagi the accurate and consistent information. Dia akan bagi maklumat yang tepat, maklumat yang consistent. Consistent tu maksudnya sama je. Sebab kita compare menggunakan financial statement yang sama format. Okay, there are two ways of comparison for financial statement atau two methods of comparison. So dia very important, accounting standard ni sangat important for financial reporting. Saya sebut ni financial financial tu berkaitan dengan keuangan. Okay, comparison of financial statement into two methods. The first one, ada dua cara nak compare financial statement. Financial statement tu apa? Iaitu termasuklah statement of income, penyata pendapatan. Yang kedua, financial position, penyata kedudukan keuangan atau balance sheet. Yang ketiga, owner's equity. Kita dah belajar topik 1 tu. Equity pemilik punya statement. Yang keempat ialah cash flow statement. Okey, itu ya, ada 4 statement. Tapi biasanya kita fokus financial statement ni ialah owner's equity, statement of income and also the financial position. Okay, the first one, you can compare the financial statement of one company with another companies in the same industry. Maksudnya satu company tu boleh bandingkan dengan company yang lain. Kenapa we can compare? Because they are using the same format for financial statement. So contohnya Giant Hypermarket, you can compare Giant Hypermarket with Tesco, Iconsafe ataupun Jaya Jusco. Kenapa? Because they are using the same format of financial statement. To compare one company with another company. And the second one, we can compare the financial statement of one accounting period with another accounting period in the same company. Contohnya Giant Company, dia nak bandingkan financial statement, tengok keuntungan dia mengikut tempoh perakaunan. Contohnya dia nak bandingkan tempoh perakaunan financial statement untuk tempoh tahun 2018, dia nak bandingkan the accounting period at the end of 2018, dia nak bandingkan dengan tahun 2019 ataupun yang the latest one dah tahun 2021. So kalau dia nak prepare financial statement tahun 2021, dia boleh bandingkan financial statement tahun 2020. Lepas tu dia balik bandingkan dengan 2019, 2018, 2018, 2019 and 2020. They want to compare for the current period. Current period ialah 2021. That's why disebut one accounting period with another accounting period. Tapi in the same company. Dia nak tengok the profit or loss for each year. That's why they can compare based on accounting period. Okay, the next one, question number 4. So this one is very important. The accounting standard. Bila sebut saja accounting standard, it is a guideline, the rules and the procedure where all the accountant must follow that standard. Okay, biasanya related dengan financial, keuangan ya. Now we look at the next one. Question number 4. Okay, explain briefly two characteristic or criteria between sole proprietorship, partnership and public company. Okay, this one is very easy. So you have the category. Kategori dia apa? Ni the first one. This is the kategori dia lah ya. The first one, ya apa bezanya? Okay, kita tengok kategori yang pertama. Yang pertama tu apa? Kategori. Yang pertama ialah the number of owners. Okay. The first one under sole proprietorship atau milikan tunggal, they just need only one owner, seorang pemilik. Tapi under partnership, minimum 2 members and maximum 20 members. So from 2 until 20 members in partnership. Tapi for public companies, the minimum members is 2 and unlimited. Unlimited tu tidak terhad. So kategori bilangan pemilik dia. Liabilities, tanggungan. Tanggungan tu ialah berkaitan dengan hutang perniagaan. So kalau anda sole proprietorship, dia adalah tidak terhad. Jadi hutang dia tidak terhad, not only for the capital that dia contribute, but also the personal property. Dia kena settle its debts. Kalau tak cukup, so dia punya personal property pun dilelong untuk dibayar hutang dia. Okay, for partnership pun also, dia bukan saja dia punya aset yang debts tu kalau tak cukup, aset company, aset partnership tak cukup untuk bayar hutang. So what happen? Dia, the personal property termasuk involved in order to settle the partnership debts. Hutang perniagaan ataupun hutang perkongsian mesti dibayar. Kalau tak cukup hutang, dia punya capital tak cukup untuk bayar hutang, apa jadi? Harta-harta milik peribadi, partnership atau perkongsian akan digunakan untuk bayar hutang perkongsian. Tapi for public company, dia limited to the shares ataupun limited to the capital invested only. Terhad to the capital that the shareholders contribute in the company. Dia terhad kepada capital atau modal yang telah disumbangkan sahaja. Okey, kategori yang lain tu atau kriteria dia adalah law of regulation. Under sole proprietorship, dia ada dia punya undang-undang peraturan penubuhan dia must be registered under the Registration of Business Act 1956. So kalau kita nak buka sole proprietorship, kita mesti register dekat mana? Business Act 1957. You have to follow this regulation. Tapi under partnership must be registered with the SSM under the Registration of Business Act 1956. And the third one, public company, they registered under Companies Act. Okay. Partnership ni ada saya sebut tadi pasal the capital source. Kalau kita tengok the capital source, nanti saya rasa partnership ni under partnership lah ni ya. Sekejap ya. This one is under partnership. This is dia punya under partnership Act 1961. Itulah saya rasa macam 1961 this one. Okay, and another one ialah Companies Act. Nampak kan dia different? This one Business Act, this one Partnership Act, and this one Companies Act. Okay, capital source, sumber modal. Mana dia dapat sumber modal? Okay, for sole proprietorship atau milikan tunggal, they just get the capital from the proprietor atau pemilik dia. Under partnership, they can get the capital source from the members of partnership. And for public company, they get the capital source from the shareholders. Okay, shareholders dia tidak terhad ya. Okay, the next one, question number 5. List, okay ni biasa ya. Biasa soalan teori ni. Katalah kalau dalam UPS kan, soalan-soalan teori, you must know the difference between proprietorship, partnership and public company ikut kategori. Ni kategori dia, number of owners, liabilities, tanggungan, law of regulation and capital source. Okay, we look at question number 5. Number 5 ni tentang badan-badan perakaunan di Malaysia. So, list 3 accounting bodies in Malaysia and its function. Badan-badan perakaunan ni biasa ni 3 dia. 3, this one is under curriculum for matriculation ya. Ada 3 lah di bawah curriculum matriculation atau syllabus matriculation. So the first one, Malaysian accounting. Okay, we look at this one. Okay, list 3 accounting bodies in Malaysia and its functions. The first one, Malaysian Accounting Standard Board. Ini sama juga macam your lecture notes. Review, mengkaji semula, revise, menilai semula and adopt existing accounting standard ataupun melihat, menilai dan menerima existing accounting standard. Existing tu yang dah ada. Standard perakaunan. Standard accounting standard ialah piawaian perakaunan. Okay, number 2, it issue statement of principle for financial reporting. Issue tu maknanya menerbitkan prinsipal untuk financial reporting, keuangan ya, berkaitan dengan keuangan, laporan keuangan. So issue tu maknanya menerbitkan statement. Sponsor and undertake, mengambil ataupun membiayai development of possible accounting statement standard. So maknanya dia sponsor development. Development ni pembangunan for possible accounting standard. Jadi perakaunan, piawaian, siapa yang bangunkan? Malaysian Accounting Standard Board. And then develop a conceptual framework. Conceptual ni lah konsep perakaunan. Siapa yang bangunkan? Membina, develop ni macam membina atau membangunkan Malaysian Accounting Standard for the purpose of evaluating proposed accounting standard. Jadi apa tujuan dia buat framework? Framework tu apa? Konsep ataupun principle. Siapa yang develop? Malaysian Accounting Standard. Develop tu apa? Membangunkan, membina konsep-konsep yang berkaitan dengan piawaian perakaunan. Okay, the next one to the first accounting board ya. Malaysian Institute of Accountant. Okay, this is Malaysian MIA atau Malaysian Institute of Accountants. So, number 1, it determines the qualifications of 4 members. Kelayakan members tu siapa? The accountants. Members adalah members yang menjadi accountant. So they have their qualification. Nak jadi accountant ni dia ada kelayakan dia. Kelayakan yang telah diiktiraf. Siapa iktiraf? Yang iktiraf, yang recognize ialah Malaysian Institute of Accountant. Number 2, dia provide training and continuing professional education to existing and potential practitioner. Practitioner ialah pengamal-pengamal perakaunan. So dia provide latihan ataupun pembelajaran yang profesional untuk siapa member-member lama, the existing ataupun member-member yang berpotensi yang untuk mengamalkan perakaunan. Biasanya practitioner tu ialah the accountant in the future. Okay, control the accounting practice in Malaysia. Okay, dia akan control the accounting practice in Malaysia. Okay, this is related to accountants, ya, the members. Ya. Okay, this one pun accountant, ya, public accountant. Okay, advance the theory and practice of accounting in all its aspect. Okay, advance the theory, maknanya ada teori-teori dan praktis berkaitan dengan perakaunan. Okay, lepas tu recruit. Recruit tu melatih, memberi pendidikan, melatih and the body of member skill in this area. So dia berkaitan dengan accountant ya. Malaysian Institute of Certified Public Accountant umum. Public ni umum ya. Accountant umum certified. Okay, maintain high standard of practice. Dia ada standard that Standard tu all the accountant must maintain and achieve that standard of practice and professional conduct by all its members. So nak jadi accountant tu dia ada requirement and then dia ada the standard. And all the members, contohnya biasanya the exam lah, they have to pass the exam and then kalau ada nak recruit, they have to test, give an examination to the accountant because they want to achieve the standard. Okay, mesti ada standard yang kena sampai. So that means maintain high standard of practice. Okay, the last one, develop the accounting profession. Develop tu maknanya membangunkan accounting professional atau accounting profession ni makna kerjaya accounting lah, perakaunan, kerjaya. Ataupun apa-apa yang berkaitan dengan perakaunan, terutamanya accountant. Okay, the next one, question number 6. So kalau kita tengok question number 5, dia relate dengan apa? Relate dengan Malaysian Accounting Board. So you must know the name of the Malaysian Accounting Board tu, MICPA, MIA, MMASB, Malaysian Accounting Standard Board. And after that, you must know the function for each board. Setiap board tu ada function yang berbeza. Kalau sebut accountant, MIA dia relate dengan members of accountant. Kalau sebut certified public accountant, dia berkaitan dengan public accountant. Kalau sebut yang tadi pertama tadi MASB, dia berkaitan dengan standard board. Board dia berkaitan dengan lembaga board. Okay, now kita tengok question number 6. You are given the list of the users and you have to complete the table based on the question. So this is the list of the users. Berapa ada list? Ada 6 list. Ada internal and then you have to choose either internal users atau external users. So internal users ialah the siapa? The person that inside the business. Kalau external users adalah the person outside the business. Branches of accounting ada 2. Kita nak sebutkan 2 je. Financial accounting or management accounting atau managerial accounting. Adakah dia berkaitan dengan keuangan, perakaunan keuangan ataupun berkaitan dengan perakaunan pengurusan? Uses of accounting information. Kenapa accounting information ni sangat penting? Kepentingan ataupun kegunaan accounting information makna kegunaan maklumat perakaunan. Kenapa maklumat perakaunan penting kepada bankers? Macam tu kan. So this is the list. So look at the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Managers is internal user. So the manager is inside the business. So manager ni siapa? Pihak pengurus. So the branches of accounting, dia adalah under management accounting dan also financial accounting. Dia berkaitan dengan maklumat perakaunan keuangan dan juga perakaunan pengurusan. Uses kegunaan accounting information. Dia perlukan accounting information. Why? Managers need accounting information. So management use accounting information in planning, controlling and evaluating business operation. Dia merancang. Controlling tu mengawal. Evaluate tu maknanya menilai business operation. So when you operate the business, they want to know the cost, the profit, the loss that incurred during the period. And also they have to make decision making. Biasanya management dia ada 3 function dia. Nak tengok pertama planning, controlling and they make decision making for the business operation. Number 2, tax authorities. Ni berkaitan dengan tax, cukai. Siapakah cukai ni? Ni cukai authorities-nya pegawai cukai tu. Dia adalah the external users. Users that outside the business. So dia berkaitan, dia nak apa? Dia nak berkaitan apa? Financial accounting. So kenapa very important the accounting information to the taxing? authorities because they want to determine taxation that must be paid by the company. So they have the rate percentage percentage. The more the company get the profit, so dia punya taxation is higher. Maknanya kalau company tu dapat profit tinggi, then the taxation that they have to pay to the government ataupun tu lembaga hasil dalam negeri lebih tinggi. Tapi kalau profit dia sikit, so dia punya percentage untuk cukai dia lebih rendah. So tax ni depends on the company's profit. Creditors. Creditors ialah ni creditors ni kalau bahasa Melayu pun creditors juga atau pemiutang. Tu termasuklah bankers ya atau suppliers. Dia adalah orang yang berada outside the company. So apakah cabang perakaunan ialah financial accounting. Mereka perlukan. Kenapa they need the accounting information? They need the accounting information because they want to determine the borrower's ability to meet scheduled payment, or they want to know whether the companies are able to pay the debts or not. Maknanya dia nak tahu boleh tak the company, dia nak tengok maklumat pada account tu, nak tengok company tu boleh tak bayar apa? Bayar hutang. So dia need accounting information. Apakah maklumat yang dia perlukan tu? Financial accounting. Financial accounting tu masuklah financial statement. Financial statement tu macam statement of income and also financial position, penyata kedudukan keuangan. Ini pun sama juga ya, tax ni. Pegawai taxation ni dia memerlukan maklumat perakaunan dalam bentuk financial statement. Okay. Number 4, investor. Investor ialah pelabur-pelabur. Mereka adalah outside the business, external, and they need the financial statement, financial reporting. So dia adalah categorized sebagai financial accounting and use accounting information. Kenapa dia perlukan accounting information? Because they want to make decision whether to buy, hold or sell shares. Bila dia tengok dia punya profitable of the company, so pelabur-pelabur ni ada pelabur yang dah lama ataupun yang the potential investor atau dia ada dua pelabur ni, pelabur yang potential investor. Kalau tengok profit of the company increase ataupun very high profit, dia akan buy shares. And then the existing shareholders pun dia akan increase to buy shares. Tapi kalau the profit of the companies berkurangan compared to last year, apa dia akan buat? So the investors akan sell shares. So they want to get the higher dividend. So tujuan dia beli shares in order to get higher dividend based on the profit. Okay. Ni investor, ada pun potential investors. Okay, samalah tu ya. Potential tu ya pelabur-pelabur, bakal-bakal pelabur. There is the external user dan branches of accounting yang terlibat ialah financial accounting dan dia need. Kenapa dia need accounting information? Bakal-bakal pelabur need accounting information to decide whether to invest in a company or not. Maksudnya whether they want to buy shares or not. They want to purchase shares or not. So kalau profit dia tinggi, they will buy the shares. Kalau profit not profitable, so potential investor dia takkan beli the shares of the company. And the last one, suppliers. Suppliers ialah pembekal. When you purchase merchandise on credit from suppliers, suppliers need the financial accounting atau need the accounting information relate to the financial statement. Kenapa dia perlukan financial statement? Because they want to determine whether a company are able to make the payment in the future. So they want to know whether this company able or not to pay the payment in the future. Biasanya the company purchase merchandise on credit. So bila dia beli on credit, suppliers need to know whether this company able to pay the debts in the future atau make the payment ataupun repay in the future, bayar balik hutang tu kan. Okay, that's all for this topic, and harap you can check your answer, and bila check your answer then you can make a correction kan. Alright, itu saja kan. Okay, sebelum kita bersurai kita tengok the comment. Ini comment, siapa nak give a comment pagi Sabtu ni kan, Sabtu ni segar kan, bangun pagi segar. So you want to give any comment? Okay, now saya baca comment from the student. Nabila, Waalaikumsalam. Madam, okay, Waalaikumsalam. Nur Syakira Hamzah. Waalaikumsalam, Madam. Okay, Waalaikumsalam. Balkis, Madam kehadiran guna, mana pula ada. Saya ada send kehadiran dalam Google. Nanti cuba check, ada tu. Okay. Okay, question 4. Question 4 tu pasal apa tadi? Okay, kalau dia bagi comparison between apa tadi? Question 4 tadi pasal apa? Saya pun dah lupa. Question 4 tadi kalau kita tengok, question 4 ni. Okay, question 4. Okay, you are required to give the characteristic, okay, criteria. Okay, kalau question 4 tu, when the question ask you to prepare the difference between two, yes, better kamu buat dalam bentuk jadual and ikut kategori dalam jadual. Contohnya number of owners. So the liabilities different untuk sole proprietorship, partnership, iaitu kalau proprietorship unlimited, partnership pun unlimited, and public. Tapi dia ada kategori. So you can make a comparison untuk ketiga-tiga tu. So maknanya memang kena jawab dalam jadual. Yes. Sebab mudah untuk pemeriksa. Kalau pemeriksa nak tengok kan, dia senang nak tanda lah. Okay, the next one. Hai cikgu, nak tanya kalau disadvantages and advantages tu saya buat dalam kotak tak apa? Boleh, as long as your answer is correct. Boleh je. Dalam kotak. Kotak tu maknanya kolom pertama advantages. Dia listkan 1, 2, 3. Itu lebih nampak lah. Bagi bagus. And the second column tu dia buat disadvantages, another kotak. Okay, boleh, no problem. Tapi account ni memang kalau buat the table is very easy untuk tengok. Hai cikgu, nak tanya kalau di situ saya buat. Ini yang sama ke tadi tu? Yang sama ya? Ini memang dalam jadual. Ni question number 4. Ni Din. Okay, dah jawab tadi kan? Maksudnya suppliers tu contoh bagi creditors lah. Okay, betul. Creditors tu. Betul. Creditors dia macam umum. Dia boleh jadi bank loan. Suppliers tu kalau nama bahasa Melayunya adalah pembekal. Tapi dia adalah kategori creditors. Betul tu. Okay ni. Apa masam? Dia tersalah type kot. Masam madam kot. Kan. Madam, kalau use of accounting untuk creditors and supplies kita tulis ayat yang sama, boleh kan? Yes, boleh. Dia nak tengok whether the company are able to pay or not in the future. Dia memang sama. Dia nak tengok kebolehan company untuk bayar in the future. Okay, the next one. Thank you, Sarwin Rao. Thank you, madam, for explaining. Okay, clearly. Okay. Welcome. Okay, thank you, cikgu. Okay, habis kita hari ni. Okay, ni sorry typo. Typo. Okay, tak apalah, saya tahu tu. Okay, kita punya kelas dah habis pun ya. Nak pukul 12 pun. Okey, jadi kita nak tamatkan kelas ni. Saya nak jemput Thaqif untuk doa penutup. Thaqif, silakan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tertamatkan kelas kita dengan tasbih kifarah dan surah Qanaah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal 'asri innal insana lafi khusr illa alladziina aamanu wa 'amilus solihati wa tawassaw bil haqq wa tawassaw bis sabr. Amin.
Okey. Okey, jadi kelas dah habis ya. Okey, bye semua. Assalamualaikum. Bye.